Good morning, students. This is your maths class. So in the last class we had started a new chapter which is money, chapter number 10. Today we are going to learn about money conversion. You have already learned that 1 rupee is equal to how much paise? 100 paise. Okay. So 2 rupees will be 2 into 100 paise is equal to 200 paise. When you convert 3 rupees, it will be 3 into 100 paise is equal to 300 paise. When you convert 15 rupees, it will be 15 into 100 paise is equal to 1500 paise, and so on. Now, whenever you write, I have talked about this in the earlier class also. Whenever you write, you write the rupee sign before the digit, and whenever you read, you will read the digit first and say rupees after, such as 15 rupees, 3 rupees, 2 rupees. Okay. Now, if the amount is given in rupees and paise with a dot, simply remove rupees and the dot and write the amount in paise. For example, here you can see it's written 3 rupees dot 65 paise. Now, if you want to convert this into paise, you simply remove this dot, which signifies paise, okay, which separates paise from rupees. Now, if you are converting this whole digit or whole amount into paise, it will be remove the dot and it will be 365 paise. How? I'll show it over here. There it's written 3.65, okay, rupees 3.65. Now you know that 1 rupee is 100 paise, so convert this into paise first. This is already in paise, 65 paise. You have already got 65 paise. First you convert this. 3 into 100 will be 300 paise plus 65, 365 paise. Okay. But instead of doing this whole process, okay, you simply remove the dot and you'll get the paise conversion into paise. Okay. Now over here you see over here it's 14 rupees and 7 paise, and if you want to convert this whole digit into paise, it just remove the dot, it will be 1407 paise. Now to change paise into rupees, put a point 2 places from the right. For example, here you have got 925 paise. Put a dot 2 digits from the right. 1, 2. Put a dot over here. This will be 9 rupees 25 paise. You have got 1150 paise. Put a dot 2 digits from 2 digits to the right. 1, 2. Put a dot over here. You will get 11 rupees 50 paise. Okay. This is simple conversion of paise into rupees. Okay. Now you already know that 1 rupee contains 100 paise. So if you go through the long process, okay, I'll take this amount 925 paise. If you have got 925 paise, okay, paise, you are converting this into rupees, so you leave out 25 paise, so you have got 900 over here. So you know that 1 rupee contains 100 paise, so you will divide it by 100. You will get 9 rupees, okay, and you are left with 25 paise, 0.25. Okay, so instead of going through this whole process, you simply move towards 2 digits, okay, 1 and 2 digits, and put a dot over here. You will get the amount in rupees and paise. Okay, now counting money. Now that you are familiar with conversion of rupees into paise and vice versa, let's learn to count money. How do you count money? To calculate the amount of money, add the rupees and paise separately, then add them together. Calculate the amount of money shown by the notes and coins. Here you have got amount in rupees and paise, and they have asked you to separately add these amounts. Add rupees separately and add paise separately. 2 rupees plus 5 rupees and 50 paise and 25 paise. You will get 5 plus 2, 7 rupees, and 50 plus 25 will be 75 paise. You can write it as 7.75 rupees, 7.75 or 775. Remove the dot, you will get 775 paise. Similarly, in B, you can see you have got 5 rupees and 20 rupees and 1 rupee note. You will add these first. 5 rupees plus 20 plus 1 and 50 paise. You will get 20 plus 5 will be 25 plus 1. You will get 26 rupees and 50 paise. You can write this as 26 rupees point 50 paise, or you can even convert this whole amount into paise. Just remove the dot. You will get 2650 paise. Now in exercise 10.1, question number 1, convert the money to paise. You have to convert this money to paise. So in question number A, you have got rupees 8. How do you convert this into paise? You will simply multiply it by 100. Okay. Over here in exercise 10.1, question number 1A, you are converting rupees into paise. You simply multiplied 8 by 100 and you will get 800 paise. Okay, you can write P or even write paise in whole. Okay, now in the same question, conversion of money into paise, there is also a question like this. It's written 16 rupees and 5 paise. You have to convert this into paise. Question number E. Now I'm skipping the written part, okay, because it will make my video longer, okay, and it will take longer to get uploaded. So it's 16 rupees and 5 paise. How do you write this? You will write this as 0.5. okay. Now when you convert this type of amount into paise, this whole amount into paise, you simply remove the dot, so you will get 165 paise. Okay, wait a minute, I have made a mistake over here. You will write this as 0.05 paise. If there is only one digit, you will write as 0.05, and this will be 1605 1605 paise. Okay, now there is another type of question in question number 1, okay, that is let's take F. Okay, here it's written, F, here it's written rupees 52.50. now you have to convert this into paise. You simply remove the dot, so it will be 5250 paise. Okay. Now if you turn the page to page number 136, you'll get question number 2 over there. Convert money in paise to rupees. Here you have got the amount in paise. You have to convert it into rupees. Now we have learned that you simply move 2 digits towards right. 1, 2. From right. 1, 2. This is the right hand side. Okay. You will move towards left. 1, 2. And put a dot over here. This will be 3 rupees 15 paise. Okay. Question number 2A. Here it's written 315 paise. Now if you are converting this into rupees, it will be, you are moving 2 digits from the right hand side, 1, 2, towards left. Okay, you put a dot over here, 3. You can write in this way. Okay, 3 rupees 15 paise. Now in this manner you will solve this entire question number 2. Now in question number 3, it's written how much money is shown by the notes and coins. Put a tick for the correct answer. Here you have got 2 rupees note and 10 rupees note. You will add them first. That will be 12 rupees. You have got here 25 paise plus 25 paise. That will be 50 paise. So this is the correct one. Okay. You put a tick mark over here. 12 rupees 50 paise. Simply similarly, you will count the notes first and paise separately and look at the options that have been given over here below the questions, and you will tick mark the correct ones. Now question number 4, do you have, here it's written, do you have enough money to buy mentioned items with the notes and coins? Tick the correct answer. Here you have got, it's written a pen costing 7 rupees and 25 paise. Here you have got 5 plus 1, 6 rupees and 50 paise. So it will be no. The pen costs 7 rupees 25 paise, but you have got only 6 rupees 50 paise. So you will tick on the no option. And again I'll show one more question for you. Here a packet, in question number 4B, it's written a packet of biscuits costing rupees 14 and 75 paise. Will you be able to buy it with these given amount? You have got 10 rupees plus 2 plus 2. That will be 14 rupees plus 50 plus 25 will be 75 paise. So you will be able to buy a packet of biscuits with this amount of money. So you will tick on yes. Okay, similarly you are going to do these questions, okay, or solve these questions. Thank you.